everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 290 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour Lash Extension Mascara that I got from Ulta for only $4.99. And this is probably like the biggest tube of mascara that I've ever seen. Even though it's very light, so it kind of feels like there's nothing in here, but it's pretty big and only $4.99. But so this was recommended to me by a fellow YouTuber whose channel is called Glammed Up Gamer. So I'll be sure to link her channel down below. But oh my gosh, I am such a fan of her channel. She does amazing makeup looks and she's so talented. So if you're not already familiar with her, make sure that you check out her channel. So I know that she loves this mascara, so I'm excited to find out if I like it as well. So let's go ahead and see how this looks. All right. So here is what the wand looks like. It's that kind of oval shape, which I really like. I find these types of mascara wands really easy to work with, and they tend to comb through my lashes really nicely, but then since they get smaller at the end, it's still easy to get like those hard to reach kind of lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I did not curl my lashes because I wanted to really see if this would add any curl or lift to my lashes. And right away I'm noticing that this does such a great job of making my eyelashes look so dark and so true black right away with just like the tiniest bit. They look fully black, and I really like that because sometimes it takes layers and layers of mascara to build up that full dark color. And I am not having any clumping at all as I'm applying this. And I don't know if this will make much sense, but this is kind of like a thick formula. I feel like it's very easy to apply, and once you apply it, it really stays in place, and it's not transferring at all onto my eyelid. Like there is no mascara to wipe away, and that almost never happens to me. But I feel like every single lash is beautifully coated and all of my lashes are separated. Wow, so far this is going so well. While I let that top mascara dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lower lashes. Okay, yeah, I love how this looks as a lower lash mascara as well because it's so easy to work with and really able to get every lash. And what's really nice about this mascara is that I don't even feel like I need to go in with another layer, but because I'm reviewing this and I really want to see what this mascara can do, I'm going to go in with another layer. So I've been really trying to be good at using my Babe Lash lash enhancing, lengthening eyelash serum every night, and I feel like I've gotten pretty good results, and this mascara really helps to show the length that I've been able to achieve because it really does coat every single lash and all the way to the very tip, so you can really see how the lashes are. And I'm just loving how this looks. My lashes look so full because they're not sticking together. They are beautifully separated, but they look so long and they look so volumized. Everything I could want in mascara, this is doing for me. And on top of that, my eyelashes are so lifted and curled, and I can actually like touch my lashes to my eyelid. That's how curled and lengthened they are, but I didn't use a curler. Yeah, Glammed Up Gamer was right. This mascara is amazing, and I can't believe how affordable it is. I've been looking for an amazing, affordable mascara, and this is absolutely my solution. This is probably going to become my new favorite mascara that I just buy every 2 to 3 months as needed. I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye and come back with my final thoughts. And I want to share a mascara tip with you all that is probably pretty obvious to everyone else, but I only recently noticed and started doing. But that's to make sure to get the mascara all the way to the very corner of the lashes, because I realized that I was kind of just leaving those lashes because they're hard to reach and I wasn't putting mascara on them. But those are some of my longest lashes, and now that I pay special close attention to those lashes, I feel like it just gives me so much more length and glamour to my eyelash look. So if you're like me and you were missing those lashes, make sure you get those ones. Okay, so now my mascara is fully applied and I just love this. It's everything I could ever want in a mascara. I'm so happy I finally tried this out, and I'm probably never going back, and this is something that I'm gonna get for so many people probably for Christmas, because I think this is such a great gift. Everyone needs an amazing mascara, and I finally have that perfect mascara for me because it's perfect price point, perfect formula. Let me know in the comments down below what your perfect mascara is that you've found so far. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.